will be showing you guys a fire burning experiment. But before I start this fire burning experiment, I will be having a quick little chat with you guys. So this chat is about how you create fire. How you create fire is that you need oxygen and you need fuel. What do you need? You need oxygen and you need fuel. So, if you have no oxygen, then you have no fire. But if you do have oxygen, then you do have fire. So now we'll be doing the experiment to really show you guys that it is actually really true. So first what you need is that you need a pair of candles. Put them right here. You need a lighter. Put them right here. Put them right here. And a cup. You obviously use the cup a little later, because we're not using it right now. And another. A lighter is so dangerous for kids that kids, if they use it, their fingers could get burned. So that's why my mom's going to come up here and then she's going to light one of them. And I can light the other one because the one that my mom lighted, I can take the one that's not lighted and kind of get into the one that my mom lighted. So mommy, you can light that one, then you take the lighter thingy. And you fans watching at home, a lighter is often used for cakes, for lighting up the candles. So now, so you see that both of the candles are lighted. And do you know why? Because both of them have oxygen around them. But if you take a cup and put it on one of them, it will still last for a little bit, but then after that it will blow out. And do you know why? Because all the oxygen that was in the cup, it already used. So that's why it blew out. And you fans, if you did not see that, I could do it again. Put this in this one like this. So now, since all of you guys died, I will be telling you what the show is about. This show is about that fire needs oxygen. So thanks for watching. If you like it, then give us a thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe down below for more upcoming videos. And if you wanted a happy face, then happy face.